In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like you're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find a post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. And here is the post from John. Maytag washer spins with nothing in it, with clothes. It tries to spin but can't. Model number MHW6630HW2. Any ideas? Here's a photo of the washer. And here are the comments. MAGA says it's direct drive, check splines on rotor, whole rotor turn basket, and bearings, roaring noise when moves. And here's replies. MAGA rotor is good and it spins smooth with no noise. MAGA, what it means, tries to spin but cannot. MAGA, again, any noise, movement when it tries to spin. John, check if basket sits solid. Anything on the door, rubber bottom. That's the question. MAGA, yeah, it makes a noise like the magnet and the stator are trying to work together. If I leave the clothes out, it will spin and it's hard to hold it back once it's gets going. It just don't want to start spinning with any weight in it. MAGA, it's pretty solid. I can spin it by hand and no resistance. Someone gave me 3 of these machines. 2 of them do this and the other one turns on but doesn't spin at all. Control board, maybe? MAGA, can you check codes on them? Possible if mechanical, all good. Could be pressure sensor, hall sensor / stator, or board / motor board, but needs to see error codes. There should be text sheet behind the display. Normally choose 3 buttons and press 1, 2, 3 3 times, then read the last 3 codes. Joe, flip over on the side and see if there is oil on the belt. If so, either a seal bearing or transmission going out. This crap today is designed to last 5 years. Bryant, Joe Nally, it's a front load. Flip it on its side. Laugh out loud. Joe, it's a front load direct drive. It has a rotor and stator. Joe, flip it on the side. Flip it on the side? It's a front load and probably needs a rear tub bearing. Okay, that's it for the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for you DIYers and you appliance techs. If you want to chime in, have a question, or have an answer to this problem, you're more than welcome. Have a good one.